Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is all about the brand new Mercedes Sprinter that we've upgraded with a Sawtomo racking solution, as well as some security upgrades. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that awesome subscriber competition live on our channel. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 Disc Edition controller, as well as an Audison Prima amplifier worth over £700, so you guys can upgrade the sound in your vehicle. However, let's get on with today's video. So to start off the video, guys, I'm going to be talking you through the racking system, and then we'll be talking you through the actual Deadlock security system that we've added onto the vehicle a bit later on in the video. So the customer came into us looking for a solution, and by God have we delivered that. It looks stunning, plus the functionality that this is going to give him day to day while using the vehicle is endless. Honestly, it's a really nice way of racking out a van, but also performing exactly how he wants it. So in terms of solution, what racking system we're using today is something called Sortimo Racking. Racking is basically the Rolls Royce of racking systems. The quality of it is incredible, and you can't quite get it over on camera of how good this stuff actually is, but if you come by, see us, we can go through design and spec the system and go through it all in a load more detail, just like this customer did. So in terms of the racking, obviously I'm on this side of the car, which is the van, which is the driver's side. So this has got twin sliding doors on the side and then barn doors on the rear. These are very important bits of characteristics that we need to spec the system, so we need to know how many doors and what the configuration of your door system is, plus obviously whether it's front wheel drive or rear wheel drive. However, this new Sprinter is rear wheel drive, and we've got twin sliding and barn doors. This configuration on the side is allowing for easy access from driver's side to use all the drawer system that we've got here. This can be organized with little dividers, wherever you want to organize it. This can be used for paperwork, whatever it might be. You've got lots of different elements of storage. Within the Sawtomo configurator, we can design this with maybe a larger drawer, thinner drawers, all the same like we've got matching here, but there's 6 drawers in total containing 2 different racking systems, and we've got a break here. The main thing with Sawtomo is it's completely crash tested. It's also bolted down to the vehicle very securely. Obviously, it's very important that these installs are done professionally by ourselves here in Cambridge, but the installs, depending on the fleet of vans and stuff, we have over 50 van capacity in our workshops currently. We can take on a hell of a lot of work. So if you need your whole fleet doing, let us know and we can get everything sorted, that side of things. In terms of this, you've got the drawers that access, and you can't quite feel how solid this stuff is. It's honestly incredible. You've got the Sawtomo badge there, which looks really smart, but you can hear it click in. It's just the quality of the stuff. I mean, these racking systems, we've done plenty of installs where we've actually removed this bit of kit, moved it to the next van, and it's been in over the last 9-10 years. If it's looked after, it's treated well, it can move from van to van. We can do a full deinstall and reinstall. So your investment is in the initial kit, which is an investment over some other racking brands. If you are after some other brands, we also offer them. However, this is a really nice solution, and this is the best you can possibly have. One other neat thing that this customer was after is this top part here. So what you can actually do is pull that up, pull that down, and you've got access from the other side, and you can slot things in straight away from there as well, which is quite nice, and that just sits in, but gives an overall really nice fresh look. But we've also got a storage area inside next to the drawers that's accessible from inside the vehicle, as well as this side. On the back of these is blank, so you can't access the drawers, but this is only accessible from driver's side, but a really nice solution for storing stuff in there. Inside here, we've got lashing points, and we've also got another 5 drawers inside the back of the van, and we've also got some more shelving inside as well, and all of this stuff is customizable. Sortimo Racking uses a configurator where we can go through everything in a load of detail, where you come by, sit down with us, and I'll spec every single detail with you, from floor to sides, where you want exactly stuff mounted. Like this isn't available to be done on the configurator, so we sit down with Sawtomo then and design the system to allow for the rack to twist like this, so you've got access from wherever you need it. So it's very important that that is fully customizable. We've done Sortimo racking, even in vehicles like a BMW 5 Series in the boot. We can do it in literally anything you want, but obviously the main suitability for this sort of stuff is obviously on vans and fleets. In terms of obviously with all the kit on the vehicle now, it is crash tested. It's all actually relatively lightweight in comparison to wood and things like that, especially on a quality level like this. In terms of the security that we've upgraded the vehicle with, we've actually gone for what's called a Sawtomo approved deadlock system. The deadlock system secures the vehicle on driver door, on every door basically on the vehicle, and when we slide this down and we lock the vehicle, what actually happens there is we lock the vehicle, obviously your vehicle security system from factory locks there, but now we've got additional deadlocks. So we've got one on driver door, passenger door, plus 2 sliding and rear door, and then one here as well. So to give you an idea, you get keys that are all universal that go through and match with every single lock on the van. So you've got 4 spare keys, say for instance, and you can order them as many as you want. Once the van is locked, you've got that additional little bit of security where you can actually twist that key and actually have a hook lock design where it slots across and giving you that extra little bit of protection to stop people breaking in and stealing your tools. So a really nice solution of securing the vehicle, and we do some other different security options as well. So get in touch with us when you come by for your consultation of racking. We can go through everything in a load more detail, but take a look at some of the other videos on our YouTube channel because there is plenty on there as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen the system that we've done on this brand new Sprinter. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.